Good morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. My name is Bhaskar Jogi. I'm having almost 23, 24 years of experience in the IT industry. I trained almost 1 lakh students plus students all over the world. So many people are working in Hyderabad and in India, in lot of other countries as well, including UK, US, Dubai. And the people are getting minimum salary of some 7, 8 lakhs to maximum salary. They're earning 2 crores and more than that if it is in US. And lot of people from Hyderabad also earning more than 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs as a data analyst. All these people took the training in 2011, 2012, 2013. I was a corporate trainer in Infosys as well. Infosys Mysuru, they have a big campus, right? I was a corporate trainer for them. I trained thousands of students in Infosys Mysuru, and after that, I have taken a lot of trainings for CGI Bengaluru and KPIT Technologies, Pune and Capgemini and HCL Technologies. Lot of companies where I took lot of corporate trainings and lot of classes. I have taken in Ameripet as well as a classroom trainer, but I don't have any classroom classes as of now. We are purely running online trainings. Clear? So that is what is my exposure. And if you wanted to ask any question or anything, always either you can write a mail to me, or you should be able to give me your phone number, and you can write a mail to me saying that, sir, I wanted to have one-to-one career guidance. So we can also give you one-to-one career guidance. You can just mention your phone number, send a mail to me, or if you wanted to talk to me directly, and this is the phone number, you can use it, 9991991. Instead of a 6 here, you can just make it as a 5. So you can reach me directly. 99199199452 is my direct office number. You should be able to call me and talk to me directly. If you need one-to-one career guidance, always you can call these numbers and take the career guidance session from me. So that is also available. Clear? I am assuming that you're not a software employee. You wanted to get into software industry, and you are have at least 10-15 years of gap. You could be housewife, or you could be coming from arts background, BA, BCom background, commerce background. You may be housewife, or you're a sales guy, banking guy, or a banker, or an insurance guy, or you have a career gap in between. You did not work for any company. You're running your own business. So it doesn't matter at any age, at any qualification, you can get into software industry. But if you learn any course or if you take any guru, you will not be able to get into software industry, because if you don't have the proper mentor, if you don't have the proper mentor, simply with some course or simply with 1 month of training, you will not be able to get into software industry or IT industry. You are going to be failing for 100% sure. Okay. So minimum time for the data analytics will be 3 months course, and don't go for the backdoor jobs, and don't think for the proxy jobs. People can catch you very, very easily nowadays. Clear? So if somebody is telling you pay 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, we will give you backdoor jobs or proxy jobs, simply they wanted to take your money. They are the brokers. If you're worrying about your jobs, you will get a broker. If you're worrying about knowledge, you will get a proper gurus or proper mentors or proper teachers. Okay. So never worry about job, worry about the knowledge, worry about always a subject or the wisdom. Clear? If you worry about a subject, you will get a guru or a good mentor. If you worry about a job, you get a broker. So where you lose the money, you lose the confidence, and end of the day, you will be doing the same work, right? You will be earning only 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, not more than that. Remember, you complete your BTech or BCom, BSc, last 15 years you studied. So with that education, what is the job you're getting? 20, 30,000 rupee job only you're able to get it. But with this 3 months of training, you will be able to get a minimum 70,000 rupees per month or 1 lakh per month. You can get it in India. Abroad, you can get 3 to 4 lakhs per month. You can get it, or more than 5, 6 lakhs. You can get it. One girl from US at the age of 44, she is Miss Usha. At the age of 44 and botany zoology background, she cracked a job in US and got 1.5 lakhs USD salary, 1.2 crore salary Indian currency. She got it at the age of 44. She told me, sir, I am feeling bored because my kids are grown up. My age is 44 and my husband is working for Java. He told me to learn SQL, but when I Googled it, I got your name on YouTube. Then she spoke to me. This is last year's story, and I have recorded her success story, and I put in my YouTube channel called Bhaskar Jogi channel. You can just refer lot of success stories there. It doesn't matter your age, your qualification, right? Your previous experience. Your nothing is matters. Only matters what is the knowledge currently you have. Clear? So if you need any career guidance session, you can just call me. You can talk to me directly and I have given my phone number, right? You can just talk to me anytime. Clear? So, what is the data analytics? What is the artificial intelligence? And what are the things that we need to learn? Everything I'm going to be telling you, very, very clearly. The course will be for 3 months and make sure that you will be able to join on daily classes. Monday to Friday, we are going to be having classes. Saturday, Sunday, no classes. And the daily 1 hour class will be there. Daily recorded videos are going to be uploaded from day one to last day. Clear? All the recorded videos are going to be uploaded. Even though you miss one class, you should not be worried at all. And all the videos are available and a 6 months validity will be there. You can repeatedly watch those videos anytime. After 6 months, if you wanted to extend, you can just make some minimum amount, some 200 rupees, 300 rupees per month. You can just make and continue the videos and you can watch for a couple of more months. Clear? So you should not be worried about videos. You should not be worried about any doubts, clarification, nothing you should worried. You have to be only worried about daily 2 hours, 3 hours of practice. You need to have it. Daily notes you need to prepare on your own for data analytics course. You need to have some paper and pen, write the notes. That is what is very, very important. With the notes, you can definitely crack the interview, right? So one guy called Akshay, at the age of 36, he cracked the interview. Madhavi Raidu, she was working for BPO industry. Tech Mahindra, she was working in Pune and earning less than 20,000 rupees per month. Past 3, 4 years, he was earning only that much. Now she got a job in TCS Bangalore with 7.5 lakhs of salary package. Some 20,000 rupees too. She got 7.8 lakhs. The Akshay, as a age of 35, 36, earning 20,000 rupees per month in a bakery. 15,000 rupees per month he was earning. 20,000 rupees per month he was earning last 15 years. Now he put only 4 years of experience as a Power BI developer. Now he got 2 to 3 offer letters, 12 lakhs, 13.5 lakhs, and last package he got last month. That is November. He got this job with a 19 lakh salary package in Pune. So recession is a temporary, skill is permanent. Skills are permanent. So recession you cannot control, which you cannot control, you should not be worried about it. So you have to be worried, whatever I can control, what is that I can do. Now, yesterday, one of the biggest newspaper in Telugu called Eenadu, very good articles they have published. So even though you will not be able to read it, so what are the hot skills in the IT market that you need to study in the year 2024? So that is what this Eenadu newspaper published yesterday. I wanted to give you that news. Clear? Just read this and if you're able to read this, just read this. It is there in Telugu. I will try translate this in English as well. Just don't worry. This newspaper is telling what are the skills that you need to learn in the year 2024. సో సాంకేతిక నిపుణులదే పై చేయి, డేటా విశ్లేషణ, కృత్రిమ మేధ, సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ, క్లౌడ్ కంప్యూటింగ్ లాంటి నైపుణ్యాలకు డిమాండ్ పెరుగుతుంది. వినియోగదారుల ప్రవర్తనను ఊహించే అల్గారిథంలు రూపొందించడం, క్లౌడ్ ఆధారిత ప్రపంచానికి సురక్షిత నెట్వర్క్లు రూపొందించడం లాంటి పనులు చేసే సాంకేతిక నిపుణులు సూపర్ స్టార్లు అవుతారని చెప్తాం. సో డేటా విశ్లేషణ మీన్స్ డేటా అనలిటిక్స్. దిస్ పాయింట్ టెల్స్ యూ data analytics. This is the one AI, so or data science. Cyber security is one more course. So the cloud computing means Azure and AWS. These are the things that you need to learn in the 2024, and you will be able to get a lot of opportunities. Clear? So data visleshana means data ghanana, or you can say data analytics. This is what they're talking about. Okay, if you want to go into artificial intelligence or AI, if you learn data analytics easily, you will be able to move to AI later. Data analytics you can complete within 3 months, but AI will take minimum 18 months time to complete it. Okay, so what are the things that you need to learn? I will be able to talk to you, but this is yesterday newspaper in January 1st 2024, right? So people who are getting 20-30,000 rupees jobs, they will be losing their opportunities. The complete article I can showcase. Anybody has yesterday's newspaper, you can read this news. Okay, you can read this news, guys. So AI nam samvacharam anedi istha undi. Just read this article and I will be able to 1 minute. The complete article is available. You can just read it. It is saying, as per this article, people are earning 20-30,000 rupees jobs, or where the people are earning less salaries, those kind of jobs are getting automated. So definitely you will lose a lot of opportunities when you don't have any skills, or if you're trying to get the opportunities only with the existing knowledge, you will lose the opportunities in the current industry. Clear? So now let us understand what is a data analytics and what is a data science. Data analytics means what? Data analytics is also called as a BI, means business intelligence. It means that reporting the past. Reporting the past is called data analytics or business intelligence. So what is a data science? Data science is also called as a AI, artificial intelligence. It is also called as a machine learning. Data science, artificial intelligence. Earlier, this was called as a data mining. Okay, data mining, data science, people are calling as AI or machine learning. So what is the meaning of this? This means predictions, predict the future. So data analytics, data science, both of them are not same. Try to understand. Reporting, reporting the past is called data analytics. Predict the future is called AI or data science or data analytics. That is what you got to understand. The Amazon company wanted to understand what was my sales in India last 5 years. So they are focusing on the historical data. Last 5 years sales, they wanted to understand. This is what is called a data analytics. They would like to understand the past. Clear? So understanding the past is called as a data analytics. So clear? Or the company also wanted to understand, or the company wanted to also predict what will be or what would be. Okay, what will be my sales in India next 5 years? The company wanted to understand like this. If obesity's rate is increasing year by year, how many people may get, next 5 years, how many people may get diabetics? How many people may collapse? So how many people may die because of obesity rate is increasing in India? So all these things can be done with the help of artificial intelligence or the machine learning. Clear? So if you wanted to get into data analytics or the Power BI, so what are the courses that you need to learn? Compulsorily, you have to know SQL, structured query language. It is also called as a database management system, or people will be calling as a RDBMS. Clear? So if you wanted to get into data analytics, SQL is compulsory. Structured query language or DBMS, database management system, or it is also called as RDBMS. Clear? So this is one you need to know. And the Power BI, you have to learn. This is a data visualization tool that you need to learn. And you need to learn, this is a reporting tool. And one more ETL tool that you need to learn. Plus, you have to learn data warehousing concepts. Clear? If you wanted to get into data analytics, only if you learn Power BI, you will not be able to get a job. So a lot of reporting tools are available in the market. We have a Looker from the Google company, Power BI from the Microsoft company. This is a data analytical software, or you can say reporting software. Clear? Or the we have a Tableau. Tableau is one more software from the Salesforce. Lot of reporting, software is available. You can use and create a lot of data analytics. So what is the data analytics? Business intelligence means you need to understand reporting the past. If you wanted to get into this at any age, at the age of 40, 42, 45, 47 also, you can come, even 50 also, you can get into data analytics. You can work for IT industry for another 10, 15 years. There's no problem at all. So you have to learn all these things and you can complete the course within 3 months. Clear? So this is very, very easy. No coding. All of them you need to learn to get into data analytics or Power BI. But if you wanted to get into data science or the artificial intelligence, you have to know all these courses plus. Okay, you have to learn all these courses plus you have to learn machine learning algorithm. This will take minimum 1.5 years. Okay, 1.5 years it is going to be taking. So if you wanted to get into data science or artificial intelligence, again you have to know SQL, Power BI or ETL, data warehousing plus machine learning or artificial intelligence algorithms you have to know. Plus you have to know understanding good mathematics. Plus you have to know stats. Clear. So many people, what they do, learning, going into artificial intelligence will be very, very difficult, and you need to be mathematically very sound. Stats also very, very sound. Instead of that, you can go into this. If the time permits, really interested, you can learn machine learning algorithms and pattern matching and everything later for 1.5 years. Then you can migrate from data analyst to, data in, artificial intelligence or machine learning, or you can work on the machine learning algorithms. Clear? So definitely this will be very, very complex. Don't get into this directly. This will be easy, no coding. This will be easy. Anybody can come, no coding, no software, no programming, no coding, nothing is required. అర్థమవుతుందా? So anybody can come, any age group people also can come, any age, right? Any qualification, any BA, BCom, BSc, Botany, Zoology, MBA, MTech, or 2010 passed out, 5 passed out, housewives. So anybody can get into data analytics because a lot of people I've trained, because I'm having almost 20 plus years of experience. I had seen a lot of people, lot of housewives after 10 years of gap, they came from BCom, MBA, BCom background, BA background. Lot of people have doesn't have even continuous educational background also. After plus two, they got married. Again 5 years of gap, they have done their BCom. After that again 3 years gap, again MBA, and those people now working for 10 15 lakhs of salary package with 4 years or 3 years of experience they put it. and they told them that I have a career gap because I'm a housewife, or I was working for the non-IT company for last 10 years, or I was working for the government, appearing for the government jobs. I couldn't get a job for 5 years. Then after that only I have learned some courses, got into IT industry. Now my age will be 30 to 35. I have only 3 to 4 years of experience in the IT industry. This is what is my knowledge. People can shift from any industry to any industry, but remember, do you have the proper guru in your background, or do you have the proper mentor in your background? Anybody can crack the jobs. But if you think that I need a job within a 1 month, or I need a job within 20 days, means it will be difficult for you to get into any course. So if you need a job, you will get attracted to the brokers. You will waste your money. So you should not be worried about the job. You have to be worried about the knowledge. When you have the knowledge, nobody can stop you. Nobody can break you. Akshay got 3 offer letters, even though in the last month, November and December, he got the 3 jobs, 12 lakhs package to the latest offer, 19 lakh salary package. Now I have recorded his voice and uploaded his success story in my YouTube channel called Bhaskar Jogi. You can just go and listen to his voice. Chalo guys. So end of the day, so that is what is matters. So guys, so what are the hot skills I told you in 2024? In the 2024, so as we discussed, so as I told you, data analytics and artificial intelligence and cyber security, cloud computing. So we are also going to be learning about the cloud. Cloud technologies also we are going to be implementing with the data analytics. Clear? So I explained about my profile and what is your profile you need to have. And the qualification, as I told you, any qualification is fine, any age is fine. Job opportunities are very, so much of jobs are available. I'll show you how many Power BI jobs are available. You'll go mad. These many jobs are available, but only thing is that do you have the knowledge? The answer is no. Guys, before going further, all the students must fill up this form. This form I'm going to be giving. So this is the form you need to fill up, guys. Just I'm giving this form in the chart window. ఇదందరూ fill చేయండి. So you will be able to get a discounted price when you fill this form and click on subscribe. Clear? And daily recorded videos. After this class also, this recorded video also will be uploaded by 12 o'clock today. So daily videos are going to come when you give your data, and you're eligible to get the discounts and everything. If you wanted to know what is the fee, if you wanted to know, call these numbers and ask the fee details. Okay, because I'm not the right person to tell the fee details. You just call these numbers after 10 o'clock, before 7 o'clock in the evening IST. Just call them and talk to them. They will be able to give you what is the discounts and everything. If you're attending the demos, you will get the beautiful discounts, and you will be able to get a lot of other options as well. Just talk to them regarding the fees. And regarding one-to-one career counseling classes, you can just give me your phone number in this email ID. I will be able to call you and talk to you one-to-one. I can give you career guidance as well. Clear? So what are the hot skills? I've told you: cloud computing, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and cyber security. These are the hot skill according to the industry. So this is the one I would like to tell you guys. So what are the hot skills means? These are the hot skills nowadays that you need to focus on. Okay, na? So let me write all the skills so that it will be hot skills according to this paper. So data analytics. And what else I told you? Cloud technologies like Azure, and we have AWS. Then we have artificial intelligence. It's also called as a machine learning or called as a data science. And what is that it is telling you? That's it. So cloud computing, data science, Kritrima Mehta, cyber security. That's it. Cyber security is one more thing. Clear? So if you wanted to get into data analytics, within a 3 months, you will be able to complete. Let me just go there and open how many jobs are available in the data analytics field. Okay, so let me go to naukri.com. I simply say Power BI. So click on search. Naukri.com, you can go. So how many jobs are available as of now? There are 19 jobs are available. Have you seen this? 19,000 jobs are available. Have you seen this? Power BI developer. So what are the things that you need to learn? Only Power BI or something else? Compulsorily, you have to know SQL. Only Power BI when you learn, that is not useful. Power BI, DAX, data analysis, Microsoft Power BI. So it is posted 18 to 13 years of experience, senior people. So 5 to 8 years by Infosys. 4 days back, this job is posted. And for Bengaluru, Power BI, some testing tools also they're asking you, and RDBMS 5 to 9 years. So RDBMS they're asking you, and they wanted to have a Power BI data modeling and DAX. And these people are asking you Power BI, T-SQL and SQL Azure. Azure means a cloud DAX. And this company is asking a dashboard 1 to 6 years of experience they needed. So computer science in a cloud agile SQL background is needed. 7 to 12 years, 3 days back, it is posted by one company. So like that, people are asking a lot of things that you have to know it. SQL is compulsory if you wanted to get into this, right? Analytical MS Office also they're asking data visualization, blah, 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 SQL. So ETL is also there. Have you seen this? ETL means SQL and SSIS means ETL. I'm talking about what is the ETL and everything I'll be talking about in the tomorrow's class. And MSBA data modeling and 6 to 9 years of experience they're going to be asking for the Mumbai. Like that, if you go anywhere, you will be able to get a lot of BA. And currently these many jobs are available. But if you learn only Power BI, that is not sufficient. Compulsorily, you have to know compulsorily SQL knowledge is important. Clear? So, if you wanted to understand data analytics or data science, compulsorily you need to understand about data. So, what is a data? One of the guy asked Microsoft, what is the data? Microsoft says, data is currency today. Data is what now? Data is currency today. You will be able to get the data, work with the data. However you wanted to work, you can work. Or some people are saying this is a next generation fuel today. So if you have so much of a data, you will be able to do whatever you would like to do. So you take Instagram, you take Facebook, you take WhatsApp. They're not doing any business directly. They have your data. They're very, very rich in this world. Clear? If you think about Amazon.com, at least they're selling the product. Flipkart.com, Walmart.com, they're selling the products, they're rich. But WhatsApp is not selling anything to you directly. They have your data. Because of that, they are rich. So if you have the data, that is currency today. So this is Microsoft is saying it today. So the same thing people are asked to Google, what is the data? So data is completely whatever you think of, that is a data today. So people are talking about artificial intelligence, or people are talking about driverless cars. People are talking about automation. People are talking about, right? So whatever you think about today, that is because of data, data, data. So data is everywhere. Clear? So if you wanted to understand the data, so there are two things that are available in the IT industry. One is called data analytics. The second one is called data science or machine learning. You don't jump into data analytics or the data science. I know data analytics or data science, don't jump it. You have to learn the basic skills called SQL. So then only you can jump into the remaining technologies. Clear? So data science is very, very complex, but data analytics is very, very simple. Clear? Before learning any data analytics tools, compulsorily you have to have one SQL knowledge. Why SQL? What SQL is doing? Let us understand. SQL is also called as a database management system, or it is also called as a RDBMS tool or a software. Clear? So now let us understand why SQL, why database management system. Everybody has to learn if you wanted to get into IT industry. What is IT industry? Let us talk about this. IT industry means information technology. Clear? Information means what? How do you get the information? If you wanted to get the information, you have to have the data. Clear? Information technology means IT industry kada. So information, how do you get it? Information you can get it with the help of a data. So what do you mean by data? Data means any data, that may be insurance companies data, expenses data, personal data, official data, cloud data, social media data, patient data, doctor data, employee data, crime data, right? So any data that you have, the IT industry is going to be taking the data and it is going to be processing the data. So information technology, IT industry doing only two things. Try to understand. IT industry is going to be storing the data and processing the data. Remember what IT industry is going to be doing. You have to know this. So it is going to be storing the data, or it is going to be processing the data. So how it stores the data? If you wanted to store the data, IT industry is going to be using a technology or a software called SQL, structured query language. It is also called as a database management system. It is also called as a relational database management software. It is going to be using. Clear? So that is what you need to understand. IT industry is going to be doing only two things. It is going to be storing the data. Once you store the data, you're going to be processing the data. How do you process? For the processing purpose, it is going to be using a language. So any language you may use. So for example, I may use C or C++, or I may use Java or a .NET or Android, or I can say Python, any language that you're going to be using. It is going to be used to process the data. It is going to be storing the data. For example, I wanted to store State Bank of India data. So where is the State Bank of India data is going to be stored? One of the SQL softwares only. Clear? But State Bank of India wanted to do some kind of a processing. What do you mean by processing? They wanted to calculate a interest, and every 3 months they are going to be paying, right? So that is what is the processing. So the application like C++, Java, .NET will take the State Bank of India data. It is going to be processing the interest every 3 months, and it is going to be depositing the amount in your bank account. Clear? So processing means simply performing some kind of a mathematical calculations. Could be some summing operation, or finding average, or finding minimum or maximum, or I wanted to find some mode median, or simply I would like to sort the data. All these are called as a processing, data processing. So if you wanted to give a large amount of data, what is the data size you have in your Amazon company? Large amount of data they have. So where is the data Amazon company is going to be storing? One of the SQL or RDBMS or SQL. So what are the RDBMS softwares we have in the IT industry? The popular software is called Oracle software, or Microsoft SQL Server. It is from the Microsoft company. You have one more software coming from IBM company. IBM company is also has one more SQL software called as a RDBMS software. It is a DB2, Database 2000. One more software also from IBM only. This is also RDBMS software, Netiza. Clear? Lot of RDBMS softwares are available, or SQL softwares are available. MySQL, PostgreSQL, right? And we have Teradata, Sybase. So you ask me, Lot of softwares are available in the market, but we are going to be using one of the software. The popular software may be Oracle, maybe SQL Server, maybe DB2, Netezza, MySQL, Postgre. All this data, if you go to Amazon.com and if you wanted to buy some laptop, so whenever you buy a laptop, so you will be able to get a lot of laptop data, right? For example, I wanted to buy some Lenovo laptops. Guys, you need to have a laptop to work with data analytics. So you need to buy one laptop. So from where you're able to get this data, all the data it is getting from Oracle computer. It may be a Java application. So the data it is showing. So whenever you make the payment, whenever you cancel the product, whenever you give a rating, whenever you do something, so all the data using this website, it is going to go to SQL or RDBMS. So whenever you are making the payment, your payment data, card data, everything will be available in the backend SQL only. So you need to understand this is Java application. It is going to be getting the data, showing the data in the proper manner. So it is not going to be permanently storing this data. So you need to remember all the Amazon data, maybe in SQL Server, maybe somewhere here, maybe somewhere here, we don't know. So what is this site? The site may be Java site, going to the Oracle and getting the data, showing the data. So all the applications will go and fetch the data, show the data, or it can also do some kind of a reporting. So what is the total sales of yesterday? What is the last Ramzan sales? What is the last Diwali sales? What is the last this sales, that sales? A lot of information you will be able to get with the help of a language. Am I clear? Now, what kind of a laptop configuration you can get? So with the 30 to 35,000 rupees, this is the best configuration you can get it. So the laptop configuration, I'm going to be giving it to you. Lenovo I'm using, you can also buy Lenovo HP. Core i3, i4, i5 is sufficient. And 14 inch or 15 inch, you can buy it. And I'm using 8 GB of RAM, 4 GB is sufficient. Saripothundi meeku. Okay na? 4 GB or more RAM, 256 GB hard disk is sufficient. Windows 11 we need to have. These are the things that you need to know. So this laptop I'm suggesting to buy this course. Without this laptop, you will not be able to work with this. I'm giving you in the chart window. You can buy this laptop if you wanted to have a laptop, guys. Clear? So what is the configuration? Minimum 4 GB of RAM. That is needed. Any processor is fine. Processor wise, i3, i4, any processor is fine. Minimum 30 to 35,000 rupees laptops you can buy it, guys. So not more than that. 73, 32,000, 73 is useless. We don't need. 32,000 is fine. But don't buy Celeron laptops. I don't recommend Celeron. Core i3 is good, or Ryzen laptops are good, but don't buy Celeron laptops. I don't recommend. So this is a completely useless laptop. You never ever buy these laptops. It is only for the housewife, only for the painting and MS Excel work you can do it. But don't buy this kind of a computer. Minimum 32,000 rupees to 35,000 rupees. You can just put it and buy the beautiful laptop. I am also bought this kind of a laptop and using it. I'm using 8 GB RAM, but you can have Windows 11 with 10 GB. Windows 11 is needed or Windows 10 is needed. So Windows 7 is not going to work at all. Clear? So you can buy any one of these laptops, guys, but don't buy Celeron laptops. So this is the configuration you should be able to have it. So without storing data, you will not be able to tomorrow create anything. You will not be able to create any report. Clear? So the company will give you lot of data. So where do you store the data in the IT industry? IT industry is going to be storing all the data in Oracle or SQL Server or DB2. So tomorrow you need to get the data and process the data. So for processing, we may use BI tools also. You may use BI like Power BI or any BI tools we're going to be using, processing the data, displaying the data. So BI tools or these are no coding softwares. Anybody can create a proper visualizations. For example, I wanted to have what is my sales in January, 10 billion sales. In the February, I have 12 billion sales. March, I have, so let us say 9 billion sales. I have it. Clear? So this is the data I have it. So I can go to insert. I will be able to create a beautiful chart. Now, when you create a chart, it is what is called a reporting, or you can create a beautiful chart or the graph like this. This is what is called reporting or a visualization means. So everybody will give you data. So everybody will give you data like this. So what is that you are going to be creating with the Power BI or with the Excel also? Excel cannot take large amount of data, but Power BI can take large amount of data. What you can do, very, very simple. You can take the data and you can create a very nice reports. So report means create a beautiful visualization like this. With the help of a visualization, anybody can tell you in which month the sales is more. Anybody can tell you in which month the sales is less, instead of showing the data in the table manner. Clear? So what is in data analytics means convert the data. The data means historical data. The company will give you history, last 5 years data. They'll ask you a lot of questions. Tell me, last 5 years data. I wanted to analyze state-wise, brand-wise, or city-wise. What kind of a brands are sold. I wanted to have a proper report. Bhaskar, can you create and give it to me? And you should not give the report in the a table manner. They need in the chart or the graphical representation of the data the companies wanted to have it. Clear? So everybody needs data, but not in the what do you say, simple manner. So for example, I would like to take your data. So I am taking the students inquiries every month. So I am filling the data like this. So serial number one, Raj has inquired for MSBA course, gender, data of inquiry, phone number, blah, blah, blah. What is the amount he paid and when is the paid amount? Clear? So whenever you call my team, we are storing large amount of data where in my Excel sheet. So that's, sheet name is called students. Now tell me, nobody needs data after the some time. My company wanted to create what is called as a summary. My company wanted to create a what is called as a summary. So what my team is going to be doing, they're going to be manually counting how many people have attended or inquired for Power BI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Manually, you are going to be counting and you're going to be writing January Power BI, how many inquiries you got it. So January MS BI, SQL, Python, DevOps, like that, how many inquiries got for different courses, February month, March month, like that. You take the data, manually you're going to be counting is called as a processing. అర్థమవుతుందా? Manually you're going to be counting in the Excel sheet. You're going to be preparing what is called a summary. This summary is called as a report. So end of the month or end of the day, you're going to be giving a report like this and you're going to be presenting to your management. Or this is the number of inquiries I'm targeting. I am also targeting what is the amount you have collected. Where is the amount available? So these people have paid the amount. That means these people have joined. This guy did not make the amount, means this guy did not join it. So how many people have joined? How many people have inquired? How many people have joined for Power BI course? All the reports. It is part of summary. What is the total amount collected on the January month, February month, like that? You will be able to create like this. Then later, you will be able to create a beautiful visualizations. Clear? What is the data analytics means? Collect the data, store the data somewhere here. After that, you create a summary. You create a summary and create a lot of charts. So, and these chart data, you will be able to give it to your management. So this is what we are going to be doing for entire our life. If you wanted to become a data analyst, what all you do? You're going to be getting the data, storing the data, cleaning the data, and creating a summary of the data, and creating a lot of visualizations and putting all these reports into one place. This is what the work you're going to be doing. The management of the company is going to be analyzing and which course where the inquiries are more and which course why the inquiries are less, and how do you improve the inquiries for DevOps, because DevOps we are not getting much more inquiries. What would be the reason? Is it demanding is going down, or we don't have the proper faculty, or what is the problem for this course? Why are we not getting much more inquiries for the course? This is how the company has to understand, and they'll take a decisions. Clear? So your reports are going to be used by the company management to take a decisions. So that is the reason this technology is also called as a decision making technology, or it is also called as a business intelligence technology. It is going to be improving your business. So it cannot improve automatically. It will only create a reports and give it to the management. Management has to decide. So what is that I should do as a CEO of the company, as a regional level manager of the company, as a brand manager of the company? I have to know why DevOps course is not selling highly. So that is what I need to understand. Clear? So when you have a small amount of data, you can use your Excel sheet. You can store the data here. You can create a summary. You don't need any Power BI. You don't need any other softwares, because Excel is a very, very good, tool to store the data, to create a lot of visualizations. Excel is enough. But you think about State Bank of India, think about Phone Pay, think about, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, or Walmart. They have a large amount of data. So all the data, you will not be able to keep them in your Excel sheets. Clear? All the data, you will not be able to keep them in the Excel sheets. What is that you need to do? You need to store large amount of data in the Oracle or SQL Server or DB2, because you cannot store very, very bigger amount of data in the Excel sheet or in the notepad or in the paper and pen. Clear? If you wanted to use a computer and store large amount of data, IT industry is going to be storing the data either in Oracle or in SQL Server or in DB2. So Walmart company or Amazon company, one company has to buy the software, Oracle software or SQL software. They need to have bigger computer, and in that all the data will be loaded. After that, we are going to be using a lot of tools like that and creating a beautiful Power BI reports, and we are going to be giving the reports to the Amazon company, or to the ICICI Bank, or to the customer, whoever is the customer for us. Clear? So this is what we're going to be doing it in general. So that is what is called a data analytics. Clear? So one thing is that you need to know, without SQL knowledge, without RDBMS knowledge, you will not be able to get into Power BI, or you will not be able to get into any software technology tomorrow. If you wanted to learn Python, you must know SQL. Clear? SQL means any one of the software that you have to know. Clear? Now, SQL is going to be used to store the data. I will give you in simple manner. I have a large amount of blood. Where do you store the blood? Blood bank. I have a lot of gold. Where will you store the gold? Gold bank. I have a lot of data. Where will you store data? Data bank. Data bank is called as a database. Clear? Data bank is called as a database. Database management system is called as a SQL. So Oracle is a data bank. SQL Server is one more company, is a data bank. You have Chiranjeevi Blood Bank, you have Care Hospital Blood Bank, you have Apollo Hospital Blood Bank. Like that, you have a lot of blood banks are available. Lot of data banks are available. You may go to Oracle data bank or a database, SQL Server data bank or database, DB2. So all these are nothing but your storerooms or the godown. In the storeroom, what you do? You put the data, you get the data. You have a tank. In the tank, what you do? You put the water, you get the water. So in the Oracle, what you do? You put the water, you get the you put the data, you get the data. Oracle is a tank or a bank. SQL Server is a one more company bank or the tank. That is what you need to understand. Clear? When you have a large amount of data, all the data is going to be stored in the SQL only. Clear? So tomorrow when we come, I'm going to be talking about in depth of so how you store the data in the proper way and how do you get the data and what are the things that you need to understand. Everything we're going to be discussing about one by one. So BI, we have a lot of BI tools are available. We have SAP BI, right? We have MS BI, we have OBI, we have a Power BI, we have a Tableau BI. A lot of BI tools are available. So tomorrow I'll be able to talk about what is the difference between different BI tools, but all the BI tools are nothing but a reporting tools without coding, without anything. You will be able to create beautiful technologies. But if you learn only Power BI, that is not sufficient. Clear? Compulsorily, you have to know or you need to learn lot of things. As I told you, SQL you need to learn, Power BI you need to learn, even ETL and data warehousing also you need to learn. Many companies are asking you all these tools also. Everything you will be able to complete within 3 months. Clear? So we are going to be learning in the January month and February month. Okay, January, February month, what are we learning? Compulsorily, you have to learn SQL and Power BI. So unfortunately, so SQL Server we are going to be learning. It is a Microsoft software, but we don't have any live classes. Clear? But how do you learn? We are going to be giving you videos that you need to buy and totally some 45 hours. Okay, plus hours videos are available. So these videos will be given. So daily you need to watch one video. Clear? So daily you need to watch one video and you need to practice. So January, February, you need to completely take this course and do it. Along with that, you will be able to learn Power BI. So Power BI will be live class from today. So how many classes? It will be 45 plus hours. So at least it will go to 50 hours. Classes will be there. So daily live classes are going to be there. These videos also we are going to be giving it on daily basis. Clear? Previous batches videos will be given. So daily you need to watch one video in the evening. So daily morning you need to attend one live Power BI class. Now you may ask me, sir, if I wanted to learn Power BI, what are the prerequisites? Should I know something? I will tell you, you need not know anything if you wanted to learn Power BI. If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn Power BI. That is very simple. But why are we learning SQL, sir? So, if you don't need anything to learn Power BI, but why am I learning SQL Server or SQL? Because your job demands a lot of SQL knowledge. Your interviewer is going to be starting the interview with a SQL only. So 60% of the interview questions are going to be coming from here only. Remaining 40% of the interview questions are going to be asked here. Remember, clear? So Power BI you can learn independently. To learn Power BI, you need not know anything. So if you know basic mathematics, 2 plus 2 equals to 4, so you can learn Power BI. But why are we learning SQL or SQL Server? Because to crack the interview, to get a job. Clear? So daily parallelly, morning you attend Power BI class. Daily you need to watch this 1 hour videos, 45 hours videos will be given. So what you watch 1 hour video, don't watch at a stretch. You watch for 10 minutes, give a break. You don't have a mood, open the video in the afternoon and watch and write the notes. Again in the evening you watch again for 15 minutes and night you watch for 15 minutes. You have to write the notes. 1 hour video, 45 plus videos will be given. Daily you need to watch 10-15 minutes or morning to evening you need to complete daily one video. If you have any question next day in the Power BI class, you will be able to ask me, guys. Clear? So that is how we are going to be completing SQL and the Power BI. So in the month of in the month of January and February, if you learn this one, so 60% syllabus got over. In the month of March, we are going to be talking about ETL. Clear? ETL, we have SSIS is there and we have ADF is there. We will be able to learn this software. I will tell about what is ETL and everything in tomorrow's class. This will be 25 hours will be there. You're going to be learning. You can have either live classes or you can also take the videos and you can complete if you wanted to complete. So this is the complete course that you're going to be learning. So that is what I'm going to be telling you. Okay, na? So January, February 2024 and March. So all these are compulsory. You don't tell me, sir, my brother told me to learn everything in 1 month. It cannot be done. Or my friend told me he will teach me SQL for 5 days. So that is also completely bullshit. You don't get not even a single knowledge. If you don't have proper SQL knowledge, 60% of the time, so 60% of the time you will not be able to crack the interview, guys. Make sure that you are going to have the very, very basic level to advanced level of the SQL and Power BI I'm going to be teaching. I'm assuming that you don't know anything about IT industry. You're a non-IT guy. So I'm going to be starting my classes, all classes from very, very basic level to advanced level. 80% of the interview questions, whether you are a fresher or whether you're an experienced guy, you will be able to get. So all the interview questions, 80% of the interview questions are going to be asked from my syllabus. Clear? Akshay got 19 lakh salary package with 4 years of experience. You put it at the age of 36. He told me, sir, only your syllabus is asked. I never prepared anything. So I have cracked 3 offer letters everywhere. Only your syllabus is covered. So that is what he was telling me. Clear? If you're a fresher, you will be able to get a minimum 6 to 7 lakhs of salary package. If you're a 3 years, 4 years experience guy, minimum 8 lakhs to 20 lakhs of salary packages that you can get it in India. So everything I'm going to be giving. Clear? In the month of March, I will be able to give you CV preparation, interview assistance, clear, and job assistance, whatever you need it, I can give you. But interview, you must crack it. I can prepare a CV. I can give you a project. One project is included for free. Clear? And all the interviews are given for free. So no extra cost at all. All of them are included in the single course. CV preparation, interview preparation, job assistance, project guidance, everything I'm going to be giving. But what is that you should do? You should crack the interview on your own. If you're believing that I will get a backdoor job or I will get a proxy job, means you will lose the opportunity within a month. So many people went, many people came out. I know because I'm there in the IT industry. Don't talk to any people, even though his own cousin, his own brother, so he cannot help you. Only your knowledge can give you lot of opportunities. So I'm recording the class today. So what are the hot skills that you need to learn? I have told you these are the hot skills that you need to learn: data analytics, cloud, AI, ML, data science, cyber security. And what is a cloud also, I will be able to tell you in tomorrow's class. In tomorrow, I'll be talking about a lot of other things in detail. What is ETL? What is data warehousing? Everything we are going to be discussing in detail, guys. Same meeting ID, same time, we will be able to continue further. Okay. So that is what is the thing, guys. Any question if you have, you will be able to ask me now. Fee related, you can just call these numbers. Any technical questions or the syllabus level questions, you will be able to ask me now. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow, same timing, same meeting ID we can use and connect, guys. Chalo.